Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop using Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application, then click the profile icon at the right top and click at the backup. Firstly, we should disable backup. After that, we can remove this application. So, if you have iPhone, you need to press and hold at your application, then remove app and delete app. Now let's move to Android. So, on some Android phones, you can remove this application, and on some phones you cannot. I have stock Android, right here I have Pixel 8, and I cannot remove Google Photos here, but I can turn off Google Photos. If you have, let's say, Samsung, you can normally remove it. So, go to the settings to turn off your Google Photos. Then you need to find apps. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom or in the middle. You can also use the search, or if you tap at the apps here, or you can use the search, write apps and tap here. Then you need to find Google Photos. So right here I have them, but maybe you haven't it. So go to see all, and then again, or scroll down and you need to find Photos, or you can use the search and write Photos. Enter here. Firstly, I recommend it to clean the storage and cache, so click at the storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage, and click delete. Then for stop and disable. And now we hide this application, so right here disappear, but also we cannot find it using search. To again see this application and use it, you need to enable it, and after that you can find this app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.